Welcome back to my channel, She Fires, all about self-defense, mainly with the firearm, and in today's video, I am sharing with you my cleaning routine of my everyday carry. One feature of the P365, which might be a benefit to you, is that it doesn't have a lot of internal parts to clean, which makes the maintenance period a little short in comparison to some of the other firearms. This might matter to you when selecting a firearm, which I think is often overlooked. In this cleaning kit, it came with one brush and a couple of these brass sticks, which I use to clean the barrel. I wish they had more than one, a backup to this one. I then used the bristled brass brush for the inside of the barrel and attached the handle for it. So I sprayed the inside and then used the brass, which is a little bit spiky, so be careful when you're using that one. I kept doing this maybe 3 or 4 times. When I first started, there was a lot of resistance. Like I felt that there was grime in there, but after a while it was smooth. With only 2 of those brass sticks, I had to take the brush head off of one and put that one piece on there to help with the next step of my cleaning process. And it only came with one handle, so I had to switch that out too. I then used some of the cleaning patches, disposable cleaning patches, just to clean out the grime that the brushes loosened up within the barrel. And again, I did this a couple times just to make sure that it was clear. I then moved on to the slide, doing the same process. This time I didn't bother with the brass stick. Because the product that I'm using is multi-purpose, after I finish cleaning, I sprayed again to add it as a lubricant so that it's smooth when I am shooting and helps to ensure that there's no rusting in between my cleaning. The microfiber cloth that I'm using here is not a part of the kit, but you can get these on Amazon. They're very reasonably priced. I do have a link to that in my Amazon store. Oh, hello. Just a brief moment to share with you that this is the product that I'm using here. This is the cleanse oil. It cleans, protects, lubricates, and prevents rust. So this is what I'm using in my video, which is also available. I have it on my Amazon store. The link is in the description below. And then also I'm going to show you the products, the tools rather, that I am using as well. This gun cleaning kit is for different calibers also, which makes it really nice. 22, 357, 38, 9, 40, and 45. Here I am putting everything back in place. Put the barrel in first, followed by the recoil spring. I think the easiest part was putting the slide back onto the frame. This video is a part of a series. I have a playlist link in the video description below. Just as it's important for a new gun owner to purchase appropriate gear and take it to the range for shooting practice, maintenance and cleaning is a critical component. I like it with the scratches on it. Just as how frequent you go to the range and practice with your firearm at EDC, it is a personal preference, so is cleaning it. I know some people who clean their firearm after every shooting practice. Others wait until 1,000 rounds, 2,000 rounds plus before they clean their firearm. And then others run their firearm until it's maxed out, max capacity, until there's a malfunction, just to see how far their firearm can go without having a cleaning. So cleaning your firearm is a personal preference, and I just wanted to share with you how I do it to remind you to do it. Since the recording of this cleaning video, I have taken out my 6-hour p365 with the safety to the range for a little shooting practice. And I mentioned the safety because when I first purchased my firearm, I was a new gun owner and apprehensive about carrying it. I knew that I wanted to everyday carry it, conceal carry it, but until I got to a place where I was comfortable without the safety on it, I don't want to feel awkward about it. So you have to do what's best for you. Since then, I carry my SIG and the other firearms that I have without the safety, and also one in the chamber.